The Equator 835 washer with the ED 850 dryer is the perfect stackable combo to help you save space in your laundry room. The dryer can be stacked on top of the washer with the help of the RSK 3070, which can be purchased separately. Easy to install and 4 adjustable leveling legs prevent any rocking movements. Even when stacked, the dryer controls are installed at the bottom front, meaning you can still reach them with ease. Save time by getting more laundry done in one cycle. Easily load up to 18 pounds of laundry thanks to the angled door handle. Loaded with smart technology, the washer senses the precise amount of water needed for cleaning. Even if you accidentally dropped a sock, easily add it in after the washer has started. When you need to kill contagions, the Sanitize Cycle heats the water to 165 degrees. Or select the Allergen Cycle to get rid of dust mites and other runny nose irritants. Never worry about suds bubbling over thanks to the over-sudsing control. If for any reason you need to pause the cycle, that's no problem. Or delay the start up to 24 hours if needed. Your children will feel safe thanks to the child lock on the control panel. The washer's stainless steel drum and anti-microbial baffles prevent bacterial growth. Run the drum clean cycle to cleanse any lurking germs from the machine. You'll love the quiet cycle with noise levels less than 60 decibels, but listen for the end of chime for transferring laundry to the dryer. Select the auto dry feature to precisely dry your clothes without wasting time or energy, or select up to 60-minute cycle. And the built-in wrinkle guard means clothes look freshly pressed with every cycle. Easily clean the filter and look for any valuables in the easy-to-open coin trap. Winterize your washer in under 2 minutes. And if you have any questions, scan the QR codes on each machine for instant access to the owner's manual and utilize the built-in diagnostics to help you solve any issues. The Equator 835 washer and ED 850 dryer and their energy-saving features are perfect for tight spaces or when you need to free up floor space.